Did you guys know that you can earn money by simply listening to music? Cool, right? In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool website that you can use to earn money. Don't worry, you can do this even with a brand new account. All you need is a laptop or smartphone. So without further ado, let's jump right into the process. Make sure to stick around until the end if you're interested in earning some easy money. The first thing you're going to do is go to this website called mixkit.co. I'll mention the link in the description down below. Mixit.com is the website where you can find some free assets that can be used in your projects. However, we are simply going to be using this website to listen to music and then make money from it. So allow me to show you how you can listen to music tracks just like these ones right here and how easily you can start making money. When it comes to the amount of money you're going to make, there are different amounts. Here you can see $5.37, $4.50, $10, $8, and even up to $25. And as we keep scrolling down here, you can see that there are literally pages upon pages of people from all over the world that are using this method to make money online. So let's quickly calculate how much money you can make. If you listen to just one song, you're earning about $8. Listening to 10 songs will get you about $80. If it's 20 songs, then you get paid $160, and if you listen to 50 songs, you will get $400. Listening to 100 songs can earn you up to $800. Now, another cool thing about this website is that this method is absolutely free. So even if you are a beginner and have never made any money online, you will be able to do this. Let's just go straight to the website so that I can show you how it works. Go to mixit.co, and if you scroll down, you can see all these music tracks that we are going to be using. Note that all these audio clips are for free, and you can use them without even signing up. As you can see, there are literally hundreds and thousands of songs on this website. Now what you're going to do is scroll to the top where it says genre and hover your mouse over it. This will show you the different music genres that are available on this website. You can make money with any of these, but I want to show you something even more special. So go ahead and open either the acoustic genre or the hip-hop genre category. You are going to find this collection of free acoustic tracks that you can download for absolutely free. So let's go on to this song right here and click the play button to start listening. You don't even have to listen to the full song. Now what you got to do is find the download button, which is just below the play button, and click on the download. This way, you'll download the song onto your computer. So download as many tracks as you can onto your computer, and in a moment, we are going to be making money with all these downloaded music tracks. So for the second step, I need you to go to this website called up-forever.org. This is the website that is actually going to pay you. All you have to do is upload your files and images on this website, and we are going to be uploading all those music tracks that we just downloaded from mixit.co, and every single time someone downloads your music files from Up Forever, we are going to make money. This is a very simple technique that you can use to make easy money online. Just simply go back to mixit.co, download any track from any of these categories, and upload the track onto Up Forever. On this website, they have a 4-tier structure of payments, which will categorize the amounts that you will earn, depending on where you received most of your downloads from. For example, downloads from the United States and Canada are Tier 1, Australia is Tier 2, Saudi Arabia and the UAE are in Tier 3, while the rest of the world are in Tier 4. Now what this means is that countries in Tier 4 will earn at least $3. Those in Tier 3 and 2 will earn you about $4, and finally Tier 1 countries will earn you a good $7. There are at least 5 profit modes that you can benefit from on this website, and these include paid per download, paid per referral, mix, website banners, and they will also allow you to sell your files. Another exciting thing that I have to mention here is that they have over 20 different payment options that you can choose from. They will provide you with the most electronic bank widely used, even in local and Arab countries, in order to facilitate the arrival of payments wherever you are. To mention but a few, they have a PayPal option, WebMoney, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Western Union Cash Plus, and several others. In addition to that, their minimum payout is just as low as $1, which means you can withdraw your money as soon as you make your first $1. Now, let me show you an example of how you are going to make money on this website. But before we proceed here, remember to smash the like button and to subscribe to our channel. Also, remember to comment your country name below so that I can keep making more videos that work in your area. Now let us get back to making money. So let's go to the website and click the sign up button. The sign up process is very easy and it will take you less than a minute to complete. As always, type your username, your passwords, and your email in this box. Then click this CAPTCHA and finally click the sign up button. By the way, if you prefer, there is an option for you to sign up using your Facebook, Twitter, or your Google account. Once your account is ready, then go and click where it says welcome. Then select my account and you will be taken to your dashboard. As you can see, this is brand new and I'm going to show you step by step how you can set up your own account to make earnings easy and effortlessly. Do not forget to click on the payment information button and finish setting up your preferred payment option. Select your respective category from here and after that, click on Save Now. Now, let's go to the left side here and click on Upload. On this page, we're going to actually start uploading the music files that we downloaded earlier, but before you start downloading, make sure to take note of these warnings here at the top. Firstly, you are not allowed to upload any material that will violate the terms of service or your account will risk being closed. Secondly, you should make sure that you have your ad blocker turned off as this might as well interrupt with the upload process. We are now going to start uploading the music file now. Just click on this button here named Choose File, and as soon as it is finished, you'll see it right here. Another bonus tip that I have for you is to make sure that you select Public so that other people can access your music file. Similarly, make sure that you fill in the name of the music track and the name of the artist as well. To do that, simply go to the website and find the name of the song and the name of the artist. You can then insert them in this box right here in order to optimize your files. Once you are done with that, then click to start upload. Just wait a few seconds and depending on your internet connection, the process will be complete and it's going to save files uploaded. The next thing you're going to do is set a price for your music file so that every time someone downloads your music file, you will be paid the same amount. Repeat the process as many times as you can going back to the Mixit website, downloading the music tracks from there, and getting paid for those music tracks for a very long time provided you set this up correctly. And that is all you have to do. With that being said, this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching.